Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. We've been using these cup hinge repair plates and we think they're pretty slick. Let me show you how it works. You're probably familiar with this style of cup hinge, and the problem is after years of use the screw holes wear out and there's never been a really great permanent fix. But these plates do the trick. First thing we do is unclip the hinges and take the door off. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to show you how it works on this hinge. Start by removing the screws. What we really like about this is how easy it is. It comes with the plate and a packet of screws, all you need, and you can repair the cup side, which is on the door, or if the base plate inside the cabinet is messed up, you can use the other side of the plate to repair that. So the first thing you do is slip the plate over the hinge and then drop this whole thing into the cup. The hinge mounting holes that are pre-drilled in the plate usually line up pretty well with most manufactured hinges. The hinge that I have, however, I had to pre-drill the holes myself. After you got it fastened to the plate, you put a screw in each corner. Now it's just as simple as clipping the door back on. Wow, that's an easy fix. I love how simple this is. So if you find yourself with a messed up cup hinge, the repair plate from Wanlin is Family Handyman approved. To see what else we're testing and more Family Handyman approved products, visit us at familyhandyman.com.